Hello, my name is Representative Pam Powers Hanley, and I represent LD9 in Tucson in the Arizona House. Well, today is June 26, 2020, and as you already know, Arizona is the worst state for the coronavirus outbreak, and the United States is the worst country in the world. So we are in the hot spot of the hot spot. And so I've been thinking a lot about innovation and the way that things could be done differently. But one of the things that really concerns me about the coronavirus is when I stop to think about how many people who have been laid off and who are in financial distress because of this. The state of Arizona has not really helped them out much because they have been very slow to implement any of the benefits, including the unemployment, the pandemic unemployment, and the eviction relief. And in fact, regarding eviction relief, only 6% of the 16,000 people who have requested eviction relief have actually gotten it in the state of Arizona. That is unacceptable, especially when you consider that in a little less than a month, there's going to be an eviction cliff. And that is when people are allowed to be evicted again on July 22nd or so. And so that's, first of all, it's in the middle of the summer, in the middle of a pandemic, and some of these people have children. So why are we even considering this? Several Democrats, including myself, signed a letter to Governor Doug Ducey and asked him to postpone those evictions until December. And I think that we really need to step up our game to give people the help that they need. 6% out of 16,000 have actually gotten it. They could get evicted in a month just because the state's been slow. And I also think in the future we have to look at how we help people out. There was an article that I read that said something like 40% of the jobs that existed before the virus won't exist in the future. I don't know if that's because companies will go out of business or that they've been downsized or that people don't need those services anymore, but that is a scary statistic. I think going forward in this country, we really have to consider universal basic income. We want to keep people in houses, in homes. We do not want them out on the street. It's not good for anybody. It's not good for them. It's not good for their families. It's not good for their children. And it's not good for all of the rest of us, okay? They are part of the fabric of our society, and we need to help them out by helping them stay in their houses. It keeps our communities together when we help each other. And so I want you all to think about this. I also want you all to think about what we could do in the future. How can we innovate beyond COVID-19? How can we do things to create better jobs or better schools or safer schools? How can we go beyond this and be happier and healthier on the other end? So that's your homework. Think about it.